One love, everybody. Today we have another video. We got our first request for make some boiled dumpling. Even though it's very simple, I walk on through the steps of how to make it the way my mother and my auntie teach me how to make it. Time for cook food, time for cook food, time for cook food, time But don't forget, we have our jerk blends. We have our stew blend, right? Curry blend, right? All-purpose blend. And we have the two wicked sauce ready. All right? Now, things you're going to need. You're going to need a bowl, right? A little bit of salt and some all-purpose flour and some water and a nice pan for put everything in. All right? Time for cook food, time for cook food. Time for cook food, time for cook food, time for cook food, time for cook food, time for cook. Like I said, if you get a nice pan, put some water in it. Make sure your pan is clean. Alright, our water is on. I put it on low so it can go and take it time to boil for when you dumpling them ready. So, you want to add a little bit, maybe a tablespoon of salt. Give it some flavor. And then a tablespoon of oil. That way the dumpling them don't stick up. Alright? Nice. We're just going to let that go and come to a boil while we get ready for the dumpling them for dash in there. Alright, we have 2 cups of flour. We have a tablespoon of salt. We're going to start with a cup of water. Guys, make sure your hand is clean. Just slowly throw it in there. Slowly. You can use a spoon if you like. My mother never used a spoon, so I use my hand. Just make sure your hand is clean. Slowly add your water. And just pat down the side them and you will start to feel the clumps. Your dough will start forming very soon. See that? You can always add more flour at the end if you feel like it's too wet. But you just want to fold and push it through for all they need. That just a little bit more. All right. And then you just scrape the sides, and you will know when the dumpling is getting there. All this gooey stuff that's on your hand, you'll start to just fall off. And that's when you know that you just have got to knead it a little bit. You know? The dumpling is coming to where you need it to be. This is the hardest part. And this is not even hard at all. But once you get it, you get it. Look, see that? It's almost there. I'm just going to keep pushing and kneading. That's it. Very simple. You just take your dumpling, you just wipe off the sides. Normally, you would want to, once your dough is done, just let it rest for a little bit. You know, for maybe about a half hour to an hour, just, you know, make it rest so it can soften up, look a bit. My kids is hungry, so I'm going to go ahead and serve it right away. There's never no problem with it. It's just more softer, you know. When you make it rest a little bit, the dough come out more better. See how my hands is getting clean? You can just go like this. And the dough will just pick it up. If you feel like it's a little too wet like that, just take some flour, sprinkle in there like that. That is perfect now. Now I just clean the bowl. Perfect. So, in Jamaica, we call it cook-up food. The dumpling is already ready. Now we're going to prepare the green banana. Wash your banana first, and then I'll show you what to do next. Maybe a little bit of dirt on it. I'm being in the store, so yeah, make sure the food them clean. Alright, this part is very simple. All you want to do is just cut the edges off. Let's cut them off. Alright. Let's get rid of them then. Them are garbage. Just like that. Turn them around. Do the same thing. Don't cut away too much of the banana. And then you want to scar your banana like this. Just deep enough. See that? Just like this. All you need is one. Just slice in there like that. Simple. 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 And that is all. Ready already. Now, our pot should be boiling in a couple of seconds now. So, after this, we just put it in our pot and go and make it boil. That's it. And then we're going to plate this with some callaloo and saltfish. Right. Chef it up. You go in a Jamaican restaurant, you be like, can I have some cooked dumpling? We not have that. Fried dumpling? We not have that. Can I get a fork? No, we don't have that. Beg your plate? No, we don't have that. You have anything? No, we don't have that. Alright, while our pot is getting ready, sure if you make some dumpling. Right? Take a piece. This, however big you want. Cuff your hand like this and you're going to slowly rub it like that. Right? Doing the same thing with both hands. Then you just take your thumb and push around on the sides like this. Flip it. Right? Dumpling. Simple, right? Do the same thing to all. Then you'll get fast at it. Like I said, people, this is a very simple. Just learning the technique. And there you have it. Dumpling ready. Even make some spinners. Spinners, them call it like this. They normally put it in soup. We're going to go ahead for the sake of this video and do a couple like that. All you're doing is just take it and just roll it in your hand. Very simple. Alright, Just take your dumpling and just push them away from you. Don't drop them in there. Away, nice and soft. Away. The water temperature will go down because remember you're putting something cold in there. So the temperature will go down. See that? Nice. Nice. Beautiful dumpling. Beautiful. Beautiful. Dumpling probably gonna take probably 20 minutes. Just drop them in like that. Alright. The banana going there probably about 10 minutes in. It's been about 10 minutes, so I'm going to add our green banana. Remember, away from your body. Away so nothing splash in your face. Just like that. Just like that. Just loosen everything up. The dumpling will find its way to the top when it's all done. It took about 20 minutes. Just amazing. Look how beautiful dumplings are made. Banana.
Non-stop turn and twist. God over his mercy. Watch the girl of ground. Here bunch of man to the left. Me all walk like a champion.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet, like this video and subscribe please. A lot more content and videos will be coming. And I promise you everything will get better as we grow. We are going to be family, everybody. Everybody can go in them kitchen and cook for them family. Alright? But alright guys, thank you. Have a good day.